Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to share some products where I got from AliExpress in under $35, and you will shock when you see the price on Amazon. Same products are on Amazon. If you want to get these products from Amazon, you will spend almost $150, while I'll get these products from AliExpress in under $35 with free shipping, including taxes. So let's share some products what I got from AliExpress. The first one is leather mouse pad. Let's open it and we'll show you what the quality. Well, this is the good quality mouse pad, and as you can see, it sticks to the table. Maybe you can see here. Yes, they stick on the table and the design is beautiful. I'll get this product from AliExpress is under $3. Okay, let's check second product. And the second product is a bag for your daily day using accessories like Apple Watch bands or charger or data cables, SSD drives, portable chargers, MagSafe chargers. Look at that. So here you can see they will give you extra pairs of, I don't know what we call this product. Maybe these are for sections. So you can make sections like this. I will show you in later in this video how can we use these products and like this. Yes. Yes, like this. So let's get to the next product, and this is a SD card reader and fast transfer data speed. You will get 3.0 USB speed with this card reader. It supports uh, SD card and a micro SD card, and I will get this product from AliExpress is under $2 with free shipping. And let's move on to the next product, and this is Apple Watch band, Apple Watch leather band, and the same product you will get on Amazon for $16 with tax, not including tax. Also, you will have to pay $5 to $6 for shipping. But the same product from AliExpress, believe me, I'll get in $2.60 with free shipping. This is original full grain leather product for my Apple Watch. I will demonstrate these products later in this video. And fully stainless steel buckle. Look at that. And make sure to watch complete the video, and you will shock when I show you the product prices from AliExpress and Amazon. So let's get to the third product. So this is a 120-watt charger, two PD ports and two USB ports. 120-watt. It look premium, and you will see when I test this product later in this video. And this next product is Apple Watch, iPhone 16 Pro Max braided cable. I get this cable from AliExpress is under $2. The next products are these straps. Look at that straps. I'll get each strap under $2. Each watch strap I get from AliExpress under $2. So next product is keychain light, Cobb Recharge keychain light. Okay, look at that light. It have aluminum body and a magnetic for attach, and also have a kickstand like this. This is power button, and the second is USB Type-C charging, and it will include USB Type-C cable. And I'll get this product from AliExpress is $2. Yes, $2. And I'll little bit demonstrate you. Look at that. 3 modes, and as they call this is the bottle opener. Okay, and the next product is, look at that. This is PU leather desk mat. Look at that mat. And believe me, I will get this desk mat in $3.50 with free shipping. Look at that. Have beautiful microfiber for stitching to the table. Look at that. This is the desk mat. Okay. The next product and the final one is a scale. So this is the scale. Oh, sorry. Open this up and two battery cells. I think it's AAA size maybe. I don't even know. Okay, turn it on. Look at that. So I'll demonstrate in this video. Again, I told you, watch the complete video. You will be shocked when I compare the price between AliExpress and Amazon with the same products. Okay. So let's demonstrate these products and I will show you what actually they are and how do they work. The first one is scale. Turn it on. Okay. It will show, you will show 0 gram and just put this strap here. It will show 20 gram of the weight. So this is for small things, to scale small things. Like if you put this light on it, it will show 32 grams of weight. Okay. The next products, the next product I will demonstrate is this light. Look at that light. This is magnet and this is a kickstand, I guess, power button and the USB charging port. So turn it on. Look at that. This is the second mode and this is the third one and turn off. And this is bottle opener. If you want to open a beer or anything, you can open this with this lock. And the third products, as I can show you all the straps where I'll get under $2. Look at that straps. If you are a Apple Watch lovers, you definitely know that the design of this strap, well, where from they get this design. And if you buy this strap from the original brand like Nomad, you will have to pay $60 and a shipping price. But if you buy this from AliExpress, you will get under $2. The same quality and same bands. And believe me, I tested all. I have both in my use, the original Nomad and from AliExpress. Okay. And the third item is, look at that charger. Two PD ports and two USB ports. It will support 120 watt and it looks premium. Okay. The third one is, this next one is, look at that band. The quality and stitching are amazing. Believe me, when I will show you the price of this product from AliExpress and Amazon, you will be shocked how much different this one product in just two platforms. And AliExpress does not offer just a free shipping for $10, but also give you a guaranteed under 10-day shipping. And if the shipping is delayed, you will get a coupon code from AliExpress. And the last product, I think all finished. No, this is the braided cable for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look at that quality. And the second last product is a SD card reader. Look at that. The SD card reader. It supports USB 3.0 and SD card reader and a micro SD card reader. And the last product is this bag. So I will demonstrate how you can use. So I'll put my Apple Watch bands in this box, I guess. And this, although I have more Apple Watch bands, so I need to buy another one. I'll just show you how can you save your daily tech accessories. Okay, this is the charger. Put it here, and the cable. Okay, this is the scale. I'll put it here. Oh, the last Apple Watch band. Okay, I'll put on here. This is the corridor and the light with cable, and that's it. Just zip it like this. There you go. So let's have some comparison of the prices. So keep watching. Okay, look at that. This is the Apple Watch leather band, and as you can see, the price is $3.56. And AliExpress have a rule: if you spend $10, you will get free shipping. And the same product on Amazon is under 16 dollars. Look at that, $16, and you will have to pay a shipping price and taxes. So it's a huge price difference between AliExpress and Amazon. And look at that, 2.26 $2 and 26 cents on AliExpress, and it have two variants. And while on the Amazon, the same product price have $17. Look at that. I mean, almost $15 different. And look at that bag price, $5.28 on AliExpress. And while the same product on Amazon, it have $13. Look at that. The same product, even images are same, and the huge difference in prices and the scale. Look at that, $5.92 or $5.76, while the same product on Amazon is in $10. Look at that. So this is the price comparison between Amazon and AliExpress. And look at that USB Type C to C cable. Same cable on AliExpress is in $1.58, and on Amazon it will cost you $7. Look at that. Different variants and different prices, but Amazon have much higher prices than AliExpress. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will put all the links in description. If you want to buy anything from AliExpress, use my discount codes, and you will get extra discount from the AliExpress using my discount codes.